Hi, welcome to Focus Pattern Search. In this demo, I'm gonna show you how to use classification tool to actually narrow our search down to the concept we are trying to look for. Today, we're gonna use a example from a popular crowdfunding website here. We wanna look for this clear mask. Like mask is now all of a sudden very popular right now, and then this looks cool. So let's look at this. Okay, mask. We can begin with typing in our keywords here, mask. Okay, we got 900,000 hits. And also we would like to capture plural form of mask. So masks with an S behind it. So the way we do it is we add a $1 to represent that we allow one extra character behind mask. So this allows us to capture mask or masks both forms. Okay, so now it's time to capture the characteristic. Transparent mask. Okay, transparent. Transparent near 3 mask. So that means we only allow up to 2 terms in between transparent and mask. And for more than 2 terms between transparent and mask, we're not gonna capture that. So 10,000, more than 10,000. Okay, let's capture more. UV is one of the keywords in this product. And UV. Okay, 3,000. We can capture one more. Ventilation, active ventilation, UV, and ventilation. Okay, 37. So we're gonna take a look at this 37 to see if there's anything relevant, any similar inventions there. So we click on the title to go inside to actually see the document. It's a US pre-grant publication. Okay, this doesn't look like a mask. Oh, okay, semiconductor. So we can hit this keyword in context. So when you click this, it will show only those paragraphs that with highlights keywords. Okay, so it's easier to find where your highlight is. The mask include transparent substrate. Okay, this is a semiconductor. This is not a face mask. Okay, I think this is the same case, but it's a pattern now. It becomes a pattern. So let's keep going. So, okay, we can see this is semiconductor stuff. It's not a face mask. So the mask, the word mask, it could be a filter or something, right? It's not like it's not used as a face mask. So we need to add the face here. We need to add a word face, maybe ADJ. So we can do ADJ this time to show that, okay, face and mask are 2 words apart. So it could be only one extra words between here, and then face need to be before mask. So ADJ has an ordering, take care of the ordering, where near doesn't care about the order. So, okay, one hit. So now we can see it's actually a mask, a face mask, but now it's an oxygen control system for patients. So it's a hospital use mask that's connected to the wall. It's a treatment. It's not really like a casual wear of the mask, the type of mask that we are looking for. So now we really need to use the classification tool to go into the casual wear classification of face mask. So it's not something that we can type in, just use keyword to search for. So now we go into classification. So if we do that, that's just gonna show you the classification of this one case. So we are going to do face mask. We're gonna remove all these other terms, the side features right now, just for now. Okay, face mask. So this 22,000, we want to see how these are classified. So these are classified into these categories. These are the top category. We call it sections. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and Y is just like other stuff. So we can see 78%, and most of the case here is classified into human necessities. So we click on this bar and go inside. So inside A, there is A61 that's most hit. So most of these cases are classified into A61, and then it's a medical class. So we go inside here and then see diagnosis, surgery, transport, physical therapy, preparation for medical dental. I think these are really going into deep medical areas that we didn't really want to. If we really go into some of these classes and search face mask, we will probably see the same thing we just saw, like a patient using some of the mask to do treatments. Let's go back, sections, all sections. Okay, so A. So this time, instead of going inside here, we're gonna look for, is there other classes that we are looking for? So the second most is A62, life-saving, firefighting. So maybe life-saving, right? Life-saving, maybe. So life-saving. No, let's look at this device, apparatus for life-saving. So yellow, breathing mask or helmets. So that's maybe one of the relevant classes here. Affording protection against chemical agents or for use at high altitude. So let's see. With pump for forced ventilation. Mask. Half mask. I think these are all relevant. So let's look at this 1800 class, because this 1 dot, 2 dot, they are all inside this 1800. Right? So what we can do is we click on any of this, and then this the class will show up here automatically, and then we delete here and then put the star. So it means anything. So B18 and then anything. It will capture anything. So you capture these, capture this, capture this, and capture all these. So face mask in that class, in the breathing mask class. Okay, and then we can add back those side features like transparent, right? And UV and ventilation. Okay, now we have 4 hits. Now we can go back to results to see those 4. Okay, now we actually having a more like casual wear stuff, not hospitalized face mask. So we can tag this. Okay, so we're gonna look for the keyword. Where's my keywords? Okay, transparent means visualize. Where is in one or more embodiments, the vault cover is transparent. So I think is this part transparent is not the whole thing. So it's not really transparent. So let's look at next. Okay, this is not a face mask. Okay, this is a face mask. Smart mask. Okay. Smart mask for health management service. So we can go inside to look at the transparent keyword, but I don't think this looks like transparent to me. The left and right adhesive portions may be forming transparent. Okay, it's not the whole thing. The whole thing is not transparent. So I want to take a look at this the other class here, face mask. So let's go back to the face mask and then do classification. A, human necessities. Okay, so the third one is A41, wearing appeal. So this is more like casual wear, like when you go out, you wear something, right? It's not really life-saving and not this serious stuff, like medical in a hospitalization environment. Okay, A41D, outerwear, protective garments, accessories. Okay, this sounds good. 13, professional, industrial, sporting, protective garments. Protecting, right? So, okay, let's do this. Materials, okay. Yes. It's probably the best one here. Components. We're not looking at a component level, not gloves. So, here. Okay. Protecting only a particular body part. Protecting face mask. Okay, this I think this is the class we're looking for. Protecting face mask. And then under, see this 2 dot and 3 dot. So 3 dot is under the 2 dots. So 2 dots is for surgical use or for use in full hemisphere. And inside that, characterized by the shape. So this is under with a horizontal pleated pocket with a duckbill configuration. So with a cup configuration maybe. So we want to look for everything. Okay, we want to look for everything inside this 1311 class. 1311 class here. So we put a star here. So see all the things under 1311 is 1311 and then 07 or 15, you know. So we want to look at this class 1311 and then every all the class after that, like 1138, you know, cup configuration is gonna be covered. A36. So again, let's add those side features back in. Okay, 2. So results. Okay, so we can take a look at this for PDF. So we're gonna show this, and we can download, print it, you know. So this looks transparent to me, right? It has a face shown. Okay, it's different shape. It's like a sheet, like a plastic sheet, and then tied to your glasses, right? Flexible plastic wrap secured to the pair of sunglasses. The wrap includes layer of transparent plastic material that blocks at least harmful UV ray. I did not actually read the detail of this product here that we are looking for. So I am not sure if they mean UV power. Does that mean blocking UV ray? But let's assume it is. Then if we are actually looking for the utility of a clear, transparent face mask not blocking UV, we have found the utility. Let's tag this document and then go on to the next. So, okay, this, I think we see this before in our previous search. When we do search in another class, see it's already tagged. We can see the use of classification tool can really help us on targeting a very specific area that we are looking for and ignore other noises. Like in this example, when we do the classification in our area, we no longer see like semiconductor stuff. Another good thing about this platform is that it records everything that you searched. So you can see on the top left hand corner is all of our search results. And then when we hit this button, we can see all this history and the timestamp. This allows us to always come back in the future and then add additional search on top of these. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something today. I'll see you in the next one.